Yes, Sagoué, finally, I'm joining Adeline Sempre. Sempre, j'aime bien l'appeler Sempre, elle est là. On va faire 50 squats pour American Cancer Society. So I'm joining Adeline Sempre, Sagoué. Sagoué, Sagoué.
Hello, my friends. Today is day 25 of the New England 50 squats a day challenge in support of the American Cancer Society. Guess what? Today I have a VIP with me.
Yeah.
My friend from Africa.
Yeah.
My friend from Democratic Republic of Congo. His name is Marcel Kiambou.
Yeah, Marcel Kiambou is here. Thank you very much for watching. We're gonna do the 50 squats for American Cancer Society.
Yes.
Just to support them. Yeah, Adeline Sempre. Voilà, j'aime bien l'appeler comme ça.
Ok, yes. Moi, je t'appelle Kiambou et tu m'appelles Sempre.
Sempre, yes.
C'est une grâce d'avoir Marcel. Oh, sorry, I'm speaking French.
Yeah, let's go.
Because we speak French all the time. Oh, anyway, so let's go. The most important thing. Let's get started. Marcel, are you ready, Marcel?
Yes, I'm ready.
50 squats straight.
50 squats
Straight.
Let's do it.
Okay, good. Okay, Marcel, let's go. One.
Adivina, somos batería.